How was the exam? Hello, Advik.
Hi. It was pretty easy. I didn't think it was too hard.
Oh, nice. Okay,
Hmm
so you were able to solve the FRQs?
Yeah.
MCQs are MCQs as well?
Yeah. We did a
Did
bunch of practice and stuff like the week before, so I think it helped a lot.
at school?
hmm
Okay. Did you use any of what we discussed here?
Yeah, I did. It was helpful since I got like extra practice and stuff. It was pretty helpful.
Nice. So geometry, what do you need? See, the thing is, I don't think anybody is going to join today. These kids, right? Because they're too tired and you have a lot of APs as well, right? I
Yeah.
know. So you can utilize the class. So see, actually, I thought of starting calc.
Okay.
What calc are you going to take, AB or BC?
Both, since it's half semester each for me. Or it's
Oh,
one
you're going
semester
to
each.
take both. Okay.
hmm
Okay. I was wondering if I can ask in class who is going to take what today. See, but none of them have joined. So just like that, they're relaxing. I think yesterday they got their exams over, right?
Yeah.
So I allocated the two classes for calc basics, limits and stuff. Dhwani is joining. So good. Okay, one second. Hi, Dhwani.
I'm sure.
How was the exam, ma?
The exam was like the MCQ was pretty easy. All I had like I think a problem was with FRQ 4 Part C, but everything else was pretty
But see,
okay for
what
the
was the
most part.
FRQ you had trouble with, ma?
FRQ 4 Part C. It's the one about trig and logs.
Oh, okay.
It's just the Part C, like only one part of it. I think I did fine
Only
on the
one
other
part.
ones.
Okay, rest of it was easy.
Yeah. Like not
Okay.
easy, but it was easier than I expected because we did like a mock exam in class and that one was kind of hard. But this one was pretty like it was much easier than the mock exam.
Oh, I see. How did your DECA and BPA go?
Oh, it was good. It was fun. Yeah.
Nice, 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 nice.
And can I leave half an hour early because I have an AP exam tomorrow
Tomorrow? Oh, okay.
and
See, okay.
Friday. So
Okay. See, for this class, I really want to spend on basics only. Okay. I thought of literally starting with calculus itself, but Shragvi, what are you learning next year in school?
I'm doing IB math, but it's more statistics.
More of statistics, not related to AB or BC calc, is it?
Yeah,
Okay, makes sense. Okay, Dhwani, you're going to take AB calc, is it?
yeah,
Okay. Okay. Okay, so see, I need to decide the classes as well that we want to do.
I'm probably gonna do AB. I might switch to BC if my counselor allows me to, but I'm not too sure on that part yet.
Okay, okay,
But
okay.
probably AB.
Yeah, AB you will get a 5, right, Amma? And then you have one more year, right?
No, I'm a junior this year.
Yeah, you're a junior this. Oh,
Yeah, so I only have senior
I
year left.
see, I see, I see, I see. Oh, I see. Oh, my gosh, Dhwani. Okay, I see. So you want to, okay. Okay, you will let me know, right?
Yeah, I'll have to talk to my counselor if she can change my schedule.
Okay, but BC will not be very pushy, ma?
Yeah, I don't know. Like that's why like I heard that BC is much harder than AB and like I'm also taking other AP classes. So I don't know if I probably would stay with AB because I also have like the extracurriculars that I have to do plus like I already have four other AP classes. So probably I'll stick to AB.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. See, I'm thinking of taking up AB completely for next year. I don't know yet. Okay, I'm just wanting to understand. Okay, yeah, that's all.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, let's see. Let's discuss. Okay, Dhwani. Okay, let's go ahead. What did I want to do? Can I go ahead with calc? Does it do good to all of you? Good, right? You'll spend at least the calculator tricks I want to show you today. Can we do that? Guys, are you okay with that? Shall we do the calculator tricks at least that we want to?
Uh
Okay. I wanted to show, let's see, before we get on to calculus, right? There are some calculator skills that you have to have. I don't know, but I'm thinking whatever it is, I'm going to go ahead and show you. Okay, let's see. I'm going to share the calculator screen directly. Once we finish that, let's get into limits. I think that'll be useful for you, I thought so. Okay. Oh, I shared this one. So sad. Um, yeah, here we go. Okay. So x square minus 4, x equal to minus 3. So, okay. So let me go ahead and get you practical mistakes that you do usually. Okay, x square minus 4, x square minus 4, f of x equal to x square minus 4 when x will be equal to minus 3. You know how to evaluate this, right? You know how to evaluate this using the calculator. Um, I go to quit, I go here, x square minus 4, so you do minus 3 power 2, you do this, right? Um, clear, minus 3 power 2 minus 4, what happens here? Minus 3 power 2, come down, okay, minus 4, this is good, but you need to use, wherever you need to use parentheses, you need to use them, okay? What is incorrect, I'll tell you. Is this correct what we have done? Is this correct what we have done? Guys, I'm asking you. There's two ways of using it, right? What is the correct answer?
The second one,
Yep, so you need to be very careful here. What is the error with the first one? What's the error with the first one?
it does 3 squared first and then adds the minus sign to it.
Yep, so you have substituted x equal to 3. In the first one, you have substituted x equal to 3. In the second one, you have substituted x equal to minus 3. Can I move on? Okay, so that's a common mistake. Let's see. More to it. How about you do this? 7 by 2 pi. How do you do 7 by 2 pi in a calculator? Let's do that. Let's clear this off. 7 by 2 pi. How do you do it in a calculator? There are two ways of doing this, so I'm going to erase everything here. Clear. 7 divide by 2. I can do this. Is this right, you think? You have an answer, or you can as well do 7 divided by 2. Which one is the answer, guys? Which one is correct?
Second one.
Yep, because the first one does what actually? You know what
Is
it
the
does?
first one like divides 7 by 2 first and then multiplies by pi?
Exactly. So this one is correct. So wherever parentheses need to be used, it has to be used, and you have to be familiar with what are the errors. Okay, and this is the third one. Okay. How about this? F of x equal to x power of 9 minus 4. F of x equal to x power of 9 minus 4. Let me see. F of x equal to x power of 9 minus 4, x equal to 47. How to evaluate this, guys? Here, as we move up, you'll find so many unusual things happening. Okay, let's clear this. So f of x equal to x power 9 means x power 9. Oh my gosh, and then a minus 4. So what do I do? 47 power 9. Oh my gosh. 47 power 9 minus 4, right? Okay, now what is this? Do you know what is E? Have you guys come across it already or no? Yes, no, please, anyone. Hey, Shragvi, how was the exam, Shragvi? Pre-calc?
Oh, it was good.
Did you do it good?
Yeah, I think it was pretty easy.
Oh, nice. Okay. So coming to this, so do you know what is this E15 Advik? What is that?
It's like 10 to the power or something.
Yep. So 1.119 times 10 to the power of 15. Does that make sense? You cannot exclude this. This is a very big number. See, because 47 power 9, right? So the basic, usually you always, you will not round anything in the calculator going up. So you will always have it at the end only. You will have to take it to at least 3 decimals hereafter. It's always like that. It will be 1.119 times 10 power of 15. Whenever you have the E, you should understand that it's 10 power of and then to 15. Now, let's see the next one. How about this? Okay, now if you're given f of pi by 5 equal to cosecant theta, f of pi by 5 is equal to cosecant theta. F of pi by 5 equal to cosecant theta. So basically, I want to evaluate this, right? Now we are going to substitute 1 by sine theta, right? That is my f of x function. Theta is pi by 5. So 1 by sine pi by 5. So you know how to do this, right? This one is a little easier, I feel, than everything else. 1 by sine pi by 5, right? So clear 1 divided by sine pi by 5. Sine, whatever you put in, pi by 5 should always be within a bracket. Pi divided by 5. This is so much better. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I didn't mean to. 1 divided by sine pi divided by 5. Is that right? Yep, that seems right. Okay. Uh, what was the answer? 1 point, was it 1.7? Yep, that's right. So here you need to have the parenthesis, then only you'll get the answer. Okay, the next one, let's see. This is on f of 2 by 3 pi equal to sine square theta. F of 2 by 3 pi will be equal to sine square theta. So how do you do this? If you're given evaluate this, right? You have to evaluate sine square theta, but with theta equal to 2 by 3 pi. So you want to try and let me know the answer, or should I do it? Sine square of 2 by 3 pi, so you will have to use parenthesis, okay? Sine square of, let's see, sine square of 2 by 3 pi, right? So how do you do that? Sine square of 2 by 3 pi. Sine square of 2 by 3 pi, right? Uh, how do you do that? Sine theta times sine theta, right? I would do that. Sine theta, sine of 2 by 3 pi. See here, do I do this? Is this right? Is this right? What is this right, or is there anything incorrect about it?
No, the pi has to go in the numerator.
Numerator, yes. So that's a common mistake that we do. So sine of 2 by 3 pi, sine of, so you start with this 2 divide by 3 pi should also be in parenthesis. Okay, then this closes it, and then times sine of 2 divide by again parenthesis 3 pi, closes the parenthesis, and then equal to should give you the answer. Any questions? Okay, now let's go ahead with more. How about this? Okay, now we did see the common mistakes only we saw, right? So we'll go to trig function, try to use window trace tables, store functions,
Miss
all that.
Priya,
Yeah, ma?
I had a question about the exam.
Yes, please go ahead.
So on one of the questions on our FRQ4 was it was I think it was tan squared of 3x. And it
Let's
and
do
it
that.
said input output values equal 1, but it gave us a domain restriction of 0 to pi over 2.
1 minute, ma. 1 minute. Tell me.
That's the same like
Question you
code I
had?
was
Okay.
talking about.
Maybe the
Yeah.
question was incorrect or anything. Let's see. What is that?
It was tan squared
Hmm.
of 3x
Hmm.
equals, I mean, it didn't say anything. Wait, am I remembering the question
Equals
wrong? I'm not
1.
sure. Equals 1, yeah, equals 1, sorry. Yeah.
3x is in parentheses.
Yeah,
What?
equals 1. And then it said it gave us a domain restriction of 0 to, it said all input values from 0 to 2, pi over 2.
0 to pi over 2, huh?
Yeah. So it has to find all input values which fit under that domain restriction
Mm-hmm.
and this function.
What did you guys get?
I mean, I think I got it wrong, but I put pi over 12 because there was a domain restriction. But so I heard people saying that they got three different answers, like three different values.
Three different values for tan square 3x equal. What did you get, ma? Tan square 3x equal to
I
1.
mean, I
So
got pi over 12, but
what is it, ma?
I
Oh,
got
pi
pi
over,
over
yeah, yeah,
12.
that I'm fine. What did you get, Dhwani?
Oh, I got something completely wrong. I know that for sure.
I did, can I explain my thought process real quick?
Yeah, ma, absolutely. Go ahead.
So essentially what I did is I took I first square rooted both sides
Square rooted both sides, huh? That
to get
sounds trouble.
rid
Okay.
to get rid of the
Okay, okay,
square.
I'll go
So
with you.
tan 3x equals square root 1, which is just plus or minus 1. I think the
Mm-hmm.
first mistake I made was not writing plus or minus.
But okay, let's see. Go ahead.
So then I just wrote, yeah, equals 1. And then
Mm.
I decided to do tan inverse to move the 3x to the other side. So I did tan inverse of 1 equals 3x.
One
And
minute, ma.
then
Then you did what?
tan inverse of
Tan
1.
inverse of,
1.
let's say plus 1 will be
Yeah,
equal
1
to
equals
3x. Wait,
3x.
wait, wait, wait. Tan inverse of minus 1 equal to 3x. And after that?
And then after that, I just knew that since it's 10 and it asks for all input values, it would
Mm-hmm.
be pi over 4 first, because I only did the positive one. So it'd be pi over 2 plus pi k. But then I realized there was a domain restriction, so I removed the pi k. So I just left it at pi over 4. And then I divided that pi over 4 by the 3 because it was
Yeah, but
3x. And the case gave me pi over 12.
okay, tan inverse of 1 is what?
Pi over 4.
Okay. Oh, this is only, okay, pi, okay.
It would be plus pi k, but there's a domain restriction, that's why.
N the problem is, okay, this was a, okay. Okay, you considered pi by 4 just because the interval was given, huh?
No, because that was the actual answer. It could have been pi over
Uh,
4, it could have been 7, no, 5 pi over 4, I think, as well.
yes, 5 pi by, see, the thing is, why did you not consider
Because there
5
was
pi
a
by 4
domain
and,
restriction, that's why.
So you divide
no,
the
right?
pi
Because,
over 4 by
go ahead.
3.
Yeah,
So you divide the pi over 4
yeah,
by
yeah.
3.
So, pi by 4, and after that, what are the values that will be equal to 1?
Uh, 5 pi over 4.
Hmm?
Oh, no, oh, like that. Oh, yeah, 3 pi over 5 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4,
Well,
and
you
then
can't equal to 1, right? Because in the second and fourth quadrant, tan is
there'd
negative.
be negative 1, yeah.
So it
Negative
can't
1
be
is
1.
also included, right?
Oh,
Yeah, that's the mistake I made. I forgot to do them plus or minus.
So it can be this,
Yeah.
it can be this, it
So
can be
what would the
this.
answer
But the
be? Because
problem is x will be equal to, see, you have to equate each of those. 3x equal
yeah.
to pi by 4, x will be equal to pi by 12. Yes, ma?
When you square rooted the tan squared 3x, don't you have to square root the 3x too? Because only tan is squared.
Not really, ma. See, tan square theta, when you square root it, it is tan theta. So the 3x comes as a
you
That's
can
where I
move
went wrong.
the
Because I did
square
the
you can
same
move the
step.
square after the theta. It's the same thing.
Yeah, you can move the square after the theta. It's the same thing, correct?
Yeah, so that's the
Oh,
only one that
that's
I
the
kind of
mistake you
fumbled.
made, ma?
That's the mistake I made, yeah.
Okay, so what will happen here? X will be equal to pi
Pi
by
over 12.
12.
That's the only thing I put,
And then
unfortunately.
what? No, and then you have more values, right?
Yeah, I
So
didn't
you
take
will
into
have to use
consideration that one.
3x equal to 3 by 4 pi. So x will be equal to pi by 4 on this one. And then this one would be x will be equal to, this will be equal to 3x, right?
It'd be
So
5 pi over 12.
12 by 5 pi. Yeah, three values.
Oh, 12 by, wait.
Did I make a mistake?
Isn't it 5 pi over 12?
Ma, sorry, ma. One second. This
Okay,
one?
yeah, yeah, that's what my friends got. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
Sorry, this one was
5 pi over
5
12.
pi by 12.
Yeah, okay. That was one I had a question on, and then there was another one, if I remember correctly, it was uh wait. I'm not sure I remember this correctly, but FRQ, actually, no, I'm pretty sure I forgot. It just asks us like on FRQ too, like typically it asks you like whether AFT is greater or less than VRT in general.
Oh, okay.
That one.
On a function, huh?
Like VFT was just
Yeah,
like,
yeah, yeah.
yeah,
I
AFT
got
is
it.
like a secant line on it.
Mm,
And then for us it was
I
I
got
got a
it.
logarithmic one. So it was an ln. So it was that was concave down, and then
It was a
the
concave down, huh?
I'm pretty sure if I remember
So,
correctly.
wait. It was a concave down. Second line
Yeah,
was
some
like
it was like
this.
yeah,
I think it
no,
was
it didn't go through. It
concave
was
out.
outside it. I don't remember the concavity, but I know for a fact the secant line was outside the function. It didn't like go in. It intersected at 2 points. I'm pretty sure those 2 points were like I think it was 614.8 and 127.2. Yeah, that's what I remember. And so it was the secant line was outside of the log
Log
graph.
function, huh? Oh,
Yeah.
then something
So
is wrong.
all I wrote about was I couldn't finish it in time because I spent a little too much time on FRQ1, but it was easy. I got like I just wrote about how it intersected at 2 points, and since it's concave down or something like that. I don't know what I
Wait,
said,
Miss
but
Priya,
Yeah, go ahead, Dhoni.
this one, I remember like for this one, like it was concave, like they were kind of parallel, like the secant line and the natural log graph was kind of parallel. I don't think it intersected, at least for me.
it would intersect at 2 points, but it didn't like go through it. It's supposed to intersect. I don't know if I might be wrong.
Yeah,
I don't know if
I
I'm wrong.
feel like it should intersect, ma. Where, ma? If it is parallel, how will you find whether it is lesser
They
or
didn't
greater?
talk about intersection thing. It was just asking like which model, like why does the the natural
Hmm.
log model always predict more than the secant line, like and use rate of change and concavity to explain your answer or something like that.
Oh, we did one FRQ like exactly like this, right? At the last fag end, we didn't. I feel like we did, ma. Say, did they ask you about any error rate after this?
Yeah, why would it? No, they just asked us why in general it's greater than the log graph. Um, because the scenario, I don't remember what the scenario was. I think it was like the value of a car as years progress. So at t equals 1 year, it was worth 22.2 thousands of dollars, and then by year six, it was worth 14.8 thousands of dollars. And so the FRQ it just asked us to write two equations and solve for A and B. I just put it into the calculator and found A and B, and then it asked us to find the average
Yeah,
rate of
yeah.
change. And then it asked us
Yeah. I think yeah,
yeah, I think we did something like that.
I think we did it in class as well. The same, exactly the same thing. Give me a minute. I'll see whether I have it.
Okay, and I had like one final confirmation, like, but after this, yeah.
Yeah. 1 minute. I think I have it. Unit. Was this FRQ 4? I don't remember. I don't remember. Let's see, guys. No, this is not FRQ 4. This was FRQ. This was logarithmic functions, right? So this was FRQ 2, I think. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think this was the one. Wait. FRQ 2. Yeah. It was a concave down, right?
Yeah.
have a concave up, but I
If
think
I
this
if I
is what
remember,
we discussed. Let me come up with something. Let's see whether you got the same thing. Okay. Uh, yeah. See, did you get this one? Let's see. Oh, this is what we didn't. Was it a lawn function?
yeah,
Was it a lawn function? Okay.
yeah. V of t was in
Was it
ln, and
like
then
this?
um
This is what we did in class. And finally, the question we did was we drew a secant line.
yeah, that's the one I didn't get.
Did you get this?
No, I couldn't do part C. I didn't have time. Part C was the only one I couldn't do on the entire
Did you
test.
have something like this, Dhwani? Expl
Um,
no?
wait.
I did have one doubt though.
What is it?
In the
Yeah,
first half of FRQ number two, this is the same scenario. It asked us to find the A and B value, which all I did was since it told us that it can be graphed as a logarithmic regression in the problem itself, I just graphed it on decimals and then did log
Shit.
regression to find A and B. Um, but then in whenever I did linear regression to find the linear equation for when we had to compare the two, it gave me a different B value. Then no, it gave me a different like ideally it's supposed to be the A value, right? Because that's your initial value, your y-intercept.
Correct.
But it gave me like a slightly off value. Like in the first part when I did log regression, it gave me 30.152. And then when I did it for the linear one, it gave me 29.68. So I don't know if I got it wrong or if there's a margin of error, but my
Kri-
answers were around the same as everyone else's. I got like 22.24 thousand or whatever.
Krish, do you have suggestions on those? We were discussing the pre-calc problems, AP pre-calc problems. Dhwani, do you remember what he says?
oh
Um,
yeah, it's like some numbers like that, but it was like 2 days ago, so I'm not
Yeah. It
sure.
is difficult to remember.
Like I remember like the type of questions, but I don't remember the exact numbers because I've had more AP exams since then.
same.
Yeah. Oh, eight more?
Like I've had more, like not eight.
Okay.
I did not know, not eight.
Okay. See, for next year we were discussing. See, Krish, before you came in, sorry, Shri, I was able to answer only one of your questions. Two and three, I'm not able to
Oh, that's okay. That's
trace
okay,
the
man.
question. You see what I mean?
Yeah,
If you can
I
tell the
had like
question.
I had one more doubt. That's for FRQ3, but yeah, you can finish real quick. It was just a very small doubt, that's all.
No, go ahead. Go ahead with your question. Then I can talk to
Oh,
Krish.
it's just for FRQ3, I mean, I think I remember the whole scenario, but I'm not gonna go over that. It's just the C value that I wanted to make sure. The equation asked you for a positive sine graph. So what to write an equation for a positive sign? The scenario was essentially just a wheel that was spinning with a radius of 6, so it had an amplitude of 6. The midline was 0. It was just a wheel, and then from the midline to
Radius of
the
6. Okay.
so the midline, so from the midline of the wheel to the top of the wheel where point P was like, or point whatever was there, it was at 6 feet above or six some whatever above, and then below it was -6. So then it asked us to, and it told us that one rotation from top to top again
Hmm.
takes 10 seconds. One rotation is 10 seconds. So the period is 10 seconds, right?
Okay.
Then it asks us for a positive sign. So technically your values would be 0, 2.55, 7.510.
Correct.
And then it asked us to find the C value and it asked for a positive sign. Um, so technically the point that would be at the midline was your K point, which had a X value of 7.5. So if it asks for a positive sign, all I would have to do is just put 7.5 and make it negative, right? Because the C value always has to be negative.
It started at 7.5. Hey,
Yeah, yeah,
can
yeah.
can somebody help? What was the question? He's
Yeah,
asking for
yeah.
some
So
answers.
at t equals
Huh.
0, it was at 6. So where you put 2.5, it's supposed to be 0.
2.5, it's supposed to be at 6. Oh, it
It's
was like
supposed to.
this?
No. So
No, no,
at 0 seconds, it was at with the y value of 6.
zero isn't one of the
Yeah,
points that are like zero isn't one of the 5 points. It starts at I mean no, as in like it's not you moved it to the right a little bit.
Ah,
Like if you just
I
moved it
don't
back.
think I moved it to the right because it said that it started on the top, which is a positive value of
Yeah, it
6.
started
You
on the
can put
top, yeah.
zero.
I mean you could have done any C value. I just chose to do you could have done 2.5 or 7.5. I just did 7.5. I just wanted to make sure that I got the C value and the A value according to it right as well.
But 2.5 is your C value, right?
He
If
did
yeah,
a
if you're
positive
doing,
sign.
I did positive sign, so that would be -6. The amplitude would be -6 in that case. So if you went from 7.5, then it's going up first, so it'd be a positive amplitude first.
Makes sense, but your C value was 2.5, right?
No, my C value was 7.5.
It moved 2.5 to the right, right? This should have come here, right? What did you get, Krish?
Yeah, so I got the same thing he got. It
What
was
was,
because
go ahead.
so, so it starts at t equals 0
Okay.
at y equals
6.
6,
Uh-huh.
and then at 2.5 it hits the midline, and then at 5 it hits -6, and then
Correct.
at 7.5 it hits 0 again. So he
Okay.
started with the 7.5 right there.
Yeah. So my C
Uh,
value was -7.5 exactly. And then
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, 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 okay. Sorry. Yeah, 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 yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
so then my
Mm,
A value would be +6. I'm just making
mm,
sure. And then
yeah.
since the period was 10, my B value would be 2 pi over the period, which is pi over 5. And then my midline would
That
just be
is
0.
easy to calculate, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Can
yeah.
you help him with the answers, please? 6
No, I
and
got
D value would have been 0.
yeah, I got everything else right.
Uh-huh.
I just wanted to make sure the C value and the A value were right together, like
This was
pairing wise.
7.5, right?
-7.5.
Negative 7 point. Okay.
Yeah, that's all I wanted to make sure. I'm good.
Okay. So you're good. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Krish. Okay. So, and for the next year, we were talking about it. So Advik is going to cover both A, B, and BC. Shri, I heard you were going to take A, B in the summer, is it? Shri, you're going to take AB in the summer, is it? Okay, Shri is gone. And Krish, we were discussing the tan 3x problem. What did you do with the tan 3x problem?
uh, tan 3x.
Tan 3x equal to 1. That's the only thing I
Just
was able to
tan
help because
squared
tan square
3x
3x
equal
equal
to
to 1.
Oh,
1.
yeah, that one, there was three answers I got.
Okay, good. So you did pi by 4,
Uh, pi over 12, pi by 4, 5 pi over 12.
Yep. Okay, good. Okay. By the way, if you get a 70 or 80, you get a full score of 5, right?
Something like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can
Yeah.
miss a lot of questions and still get a
Yeah, you miss a lot of questions, still you can get a 5. You know that, Shri, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You get a 70 or a 80, whatever score overall,
I think it
you
was
get
like
a
this, yeah. Yeah.
5. But how are the MCQs?
Oh, part A was, in my opinion, it was pretty easy. There were just like maybe around 5 questions that I felt were kind of a little hard. Not hard, it's just I didn't know how to approach them at that time.
Okay.
Part A was not bad overall. Part B was the calculator one, right? It was pretty good. It wasn't that bad. All you had to do was just use decimals a lot. I think I got maybe a few wrong, if not, but I think it was good overall. It was
Nice.
pretty easy.
Good to know. Okay. Let's see. We were on what? We were discussing the common mistakes with calculators, right? So let me go back to that. Krish, before you came in, we were discussing common mistakes with the calculator, okay?
Okay.
So where are we? Um, no, I'm off. Okay, hold on. Article the FRQs. Okay, so we were discussing 7 by 2 pi. Okay, now let's go ahead with, we discussed some common mistakes and then trig functions. Okay, window trace table we need to discuss. Okay, let's see. Okay, do you know how to evaluate in x square minus 4 x equal to 3.2? Do you know how to do it with the calculator? These skills are quite important when we move up. So x square minus 4 x equal to 3.2, x square minus 4, let me put it down here, x square minus 4 x equal to 3.2. Do you know how to evaluate using a calculator correctly? Meaning what to do in a calculator, do you all know? If you know, I'll skip this and then go to limits. Do you know how to? Yes, no, please guys, you have to be interactive. If you don't know, I'll do.
Wait, could you ask them?
Violent பண்ணு. One second, one second, one second. Yeah, f of x equal to x square minus 4 ma. Find out f of x when x equal to 3.2. It's a simple one, but do you know how to do it in a calculator? Yes, no, anything is
Yeah.
okay, guys. I just need to know. Okay, so you know how to use the trace function and stuff, huh?
Yeah.
So here, x square minus 4. Here I really want you to be using the table. Do you know one way is you can go to calc, then you can go to graph, you can go to trace, and then you can say x equal to 3.2, right? So you can just type, right? What do you do for getting it in here? A value. So you can type it in here 3.2, right? So if you type it in, you'll get your answers. The other way is to go to a table. Do you know how to go to a table and find it? So do you know how to change these? This is the other way of doing it. So here independent, dependent. Independent is x, right? Instead of auto, you can say it as ask. Oh my God, what did I do? Table set, you can go to ask. Okay, set it like this and then come to the table. How to come to the table? Here, second table, x equal to 3.2, you get 6.24. Makes sense? You can either use the table or you can use the trace function in the graph to get the values. Second one, how about this? Yeah. Then I wanted to know about, wait, let's see. Here, tan inverse of theta, theta equal to pi. Do you know how to do that? Tan inverse of theta, theta equal to pi. Tan inverse of theta.
I have a question about
Yeah,
the first problem.
yeah,
Can't you
yeah.
just put 3.2 squared and then minus 4?
You can, ma. When the question is complicated, I just want you to know.
Oh, okay, okay.
That's all. And when you're doing that, right, even when you're doing that, we did discuss before you came in, right? We did discuss, suppose if it is pi by 2, suppose x equal to pi by 2, let's say, in this case, you need to be, okay, we discussed equal to minus 3, x square, x will be equal to minus 3. How do you type it in the calculator? You cannot type like this. You have to type like this. This is a common mistake we discussed. You understand the difference between the two, right? Krish?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so what was the next problem? Tan inverse of, I want to know tan inverse of theta, theta equal to pi. Tan inverse of theta, theta equal to pi. Have you all used the stored function? Have you all used the store function?
No.
Have you? No? Okay, okay, okay. We'll go there. Tan inverse of theta, theta equal to pi. What do you do? So this is bit easy. Tan inverse of x. I'll use x for now. I'll delete everything. How to delete? I don't know. Delete, 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 delete. Okay. Tan inverse of theta, close parenthesis, theta x equal to pi, right? So graph. So here you will use the window function. Pi is um, theta equal to pi, right? X equal to pi. So I'll go to the graph and then go to calc trace value theta equal to pi 3.14. What will, oh, can't type that there. I'm sorry, guys. Calc value x equal to, oh yeah, I got it. You got it? So yeah, this you can use. And then what else next? Yep, you can use trace and max min 0. Do you all know how to find? Upper bound, right bound, left bound, do you know? Yes, no, then I'll skip. Given a function f of x equal to x power of 4 minus 3x cube. Given a function f of x equal to x power of 4 minus 3x square, I don't know, x cube plus x plus 3. X cube plus x plus 3. Given this function, do you all know how to find the max, min and zeros? Do you know how to find the max, min and zeros? Yes, no, you tell me. After that, I'll go if you want to. If you don't want, then I can move on. That's why I'm asking. So please answer something.
Can I use a calculator or
Yeah,
do
yeah,
I?
you can. No, no, no.
Okay.
See, because calculus AB, I don't know whether you all know. I forgot to tell you that. Calc AB has 30 questions. You have 4 FRQs. This no calculator. Okay. Then you have 15 questions, 15 MCQs, 2 FRQs with calculator. So for this section, you have to be too good with using the calculator. Make sense?
Yeah.
So yeah, you can use the calculator. Do you all know how to use the max, min and zeros? If you don't know, only I'm going to go over. Otherwise, I'll move on, guys. Please tell me whether you know max, min and zeros. You
I
want me
know.
to go through? Huh? You know how to find?
Yeah.
Okay, how about you? Dhwani, Advik, do you know? Shragvi?
I
Yeah.
know.
Oh, you all know. Okay, then I can move on. Okay. Max, min, zeros, and then, oh yeah, this one is a complicated one. Okay, how about this? X cube plus 3x minus 4. X cube plus 3x minus 4. X cube plus 3x minus 4 is one function. The second function is minus x square plus 4. Minus x square plus 4. Minus, oh my gosh, minus x square plus 4. Plus 4. This is y equal to find, what should I find? Oh, you have to solve for this. Do you know how to solve for this? Guys, you have to respond, right? Solve for intersection. Do you know how to solve for intersection?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know how to adjust the window and see the intersection? Shri, Krish, Advik,
Yeah.
yep.
It's like
Yeah.
Yeah.
second window or something.
Yep. So I can do it quickly if you want to, otherwise I'll move on. Should I show or can I move on, guys? For me, anything works, but you have to let me know.
You can,
Okay. How about this? You will know then. This is a good one. This is what is a store function. Okay, how about this? X equal to sine pi by 7. X equal to sine pi. This one we'll learn today. X equal to sine pi by 7. Now 3 power of x minus 3 power of x minus 2 square root of x and then minus 4x. Okay, this is going to be tricky. So here you cannot, suppose if you calculate, let's go to, oh, I'm sorry, what did I do? Okay, so I quit, I'll go up, clear. Now the thing is sine pi by 7 I can easily do that, you know, but after that what do you do? Sine pi divide by 7, you know. Okay, see, okay, now I cannot be typing this every time. To find this, right, I will have to type it every time, right? So it's so hard for me to type this entire decimal. So one way what you can do as you move up with calc, right? So store it. So the answer, you're going to store it to a particular variable. How do I store it to a particular variable? Alpha A. That means answer, I'm storing it to A. I'm using STO. That means that answer will be stored in the variable. Alpha A indicates a variable A. So that's stored. Okay, A has the value. Now what you can do, if you want to find the value of this expression that's given, right? 3 power alpha A, then you can just type it like ordinary 2 times square root of x, right? Square root of x. So square root of alpha A. Uh-huh. Okay, and then minus 4 alpha A. Does that make sense? Let me check the answer. To square root of. Yeah, that seems right. So did you understand the store functionality? Yes, that answer is right. Did you guys get it? Store functionality? Guys, did you get it? Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, now, okay. Okay, how about this? Okay, this one is again complicated. X power of 4 plus 3x minus 4. X power of 4 plus 3x minus 4. X power of 4 plus 3x.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma, you want to leave?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can go, ma.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, ma, bye, ma. So next week, yeah. X power of 4 plus 3x minus 4, and then what do I have? Minus x square plus 4. Minus x square plus 4. You also have your AP tomorrow, Krish?
No, I finished with all my APs today.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so let's say the x coordinate of the left point of intersection is A. Let's see. This is a good question. This is f of x, this is g of x. Left point of intersection, left intersection is A. Left intersection is A, intersection is A. Right intersection is B. You cannot be remembering so much of decimals, right? So what you're going to find is find A plus B. How you're going to do this? So again, we'll be using store function, but with the graph now. This was not with the graph, right? So let me clear this out. I'll go to, let's see how to do. X power of 4, x power of 4, then what? Plus 3x minus 4, right? Plus 3x, and then you have a minus 4, and then y2 you have minus x power of 2 plus, sorry guys, x power of 2 plus 4. Okay, so I have it, then I go to graph. Okay, clearly there is an x intersection and y intersection, right? So you go to calc, intersect. The thing is, see, first curve and second curve it's asking, right? So I need to, for the first intersection for me to find, right? So I'll have to, that's my first intersection, somewhere there, so, right? So I go up a little bit, okay, I go up a little bit. First curve is okay. Between that and the second curve is I have to come down. Oh my gosh, what is going on? I'm not able to come down for that matter. Yeah, it came down. Yeah. So now between these 2 points, okay, so I'll press enter. Okay. Why it's not coming? No. Calc, intersect, what happened? Okay, first curve. Okay, x equal to that minus 1. Yeah, that's right. So that intersection is minus 1.7, y will be equal to. So you get this. So now this is the intersection point, right? So how do you store it again? Store, I don't know whether you can do this. Okay, store x equal to, see, left point of intersection equal to A, right? So x, see that you're storing it in A, alpha A. Let's do it and see. Enter, oh my gosh, something was wrong. Something was wrong. You can do that here as well. So second, calc, intersect. Okay, first curve, Let me go a little up. I'm not comfortable with this. Okay, first curve, second curve, a little down. I would like to. Okay, that's better. For some reason, calc intersect. Okay. Okay, so that one, okay, this is good. Intersection I have found out, but every time you can't be typing this x value, right? So what I would do, I have to store, but then you can store it here itself is what I thought. Alpha A, enter, no. Okay, let me check quickly. You go there and save. Okay, so now calc, okay, let's see. I'm going to quit. Okay, so second calc intersect. Okay, we have a first curve, we have a second curve, we found the intersection. Okay, then I'll quit. Let me quit and then go to the answer. Okay, now store the answer gets saved in alpha A. What was that? Sorry, alpha. Uh, what did I do, guys? Okay, quit. Okay, store the answer in alpha A, enter. Yeah, you see the x point is getting saved here. So this is the usage of the store function. Now again, A gets stored with this. I have to find the second point of intersection, right? So second calc intersect, I will come to this piece of the curve. Okay, so first curve, enter, second curve, enter. This was C. X will be equal to 1.26, right? Again, I can come back, quit. Now store function, you can put it in alpha B, enter. You have 1.26. Now for you to add A plus B, you can just go to alpha A plus alpha B. You get the answer. Any questions, guys? So with your small decimals, it's meaning you don't have to type. You can just store it in variables and make use of them. Can I move on? Okay, now this one is good actually. Okay, I want you to try doing this by yourself. Let me do. Okay, let's go ahead with, I'll share a different screen, stop share. Let's do this one. Let's try to do this by yourself. After this, we'll move on to limits. Okay, how about this? You're going to do this using your window. What makes it difficult is using the window functionality. Let's see. How about this? Can we do this 1.5 liters? It's going to be rate, right? So it's going to be per hour. Okay. So would you be able to do this using the window in the calculator? At what time of t during the interval is the amount of methane increasing most rapidly? In the interval 0 is less than or equal to t is less than or equal to 8 is the rate of increase in methane most rapid. Is the amount of methane is the amount of methane increasing more rapidly. Is the amount of methane increasing most rapidly. Would you be able to answer this? Things are easy, but e power of sine pi by 4t, you can type it into the calculator, but using the window, arranging it to 0 to 8 and finding the curve or finding the max, the amount of time where the methane has increased most rapidly is what counts. Would you be able to do this or you want me to do this? Please do it and tell me just the answer for this one. This is the last and we'll go to limits. Let me know, guys, if you need more. Did you guys do it? A couple of you at least should get the answer, then I'll move on. Did you get it, guys? Did you get it, guys? Guys, I'm assuming you're doing, right? Okay. Is it two? Let me check. Oh, wow. Good job, Shragvi.
Yes, Priya, I have to go.
Yeah, you can leave, ma.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, bye. Did you get it, Advik and Krish?
I'm
Um,
sending it right now.
I'm not sure.
You're not sure. Did you do it in the calculator, the graph?
Uh, yeah.
Where are you not sure? Tell me.
So do I just like look at the time and see when it's
Okay, let's see. I'll do it on the board then. Okay. Hey, the problem is, oh my gosh, if I stop screen share, this will go. Hold on. Good, nice. Okay, let me take a picture of this, then I'll stop share so that I can come make it come back. Okay, now e power of sine pi by 40. Did you get it, Advik?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't hit
E
enter.
power of sine pi by 40, right? So this is clear. E power of sine pi by 40. I don't want y to e power of sine pi by 40. E, where is this e? Okay, e power of sine. Okay, pi by 4t, right? Pi by 4t, I'm good with typing it like this. Pi divided by 4t. This is okay to do it. Uh-huh. Yeah, x stays in the numerator only. Okay, that's it, right? So let's graph it and see. See, that's the graph. But the problem is they have asked us for the time frame between 0 to 8 where it is increasing, right? I'll go to window. I'll put X-Men. I don't want the minus and all. 0 to 20, right?
can't see
0.
your screen.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Oh, sorry. I was thinking of sharing. Sorry, guys. Okay, so basically I did the graph like this, okay? But in the window, I just want 0 to 8 window, right? Let me put it as 9. You don't need a minus min, this and all you don't need. So x-min can be a minus 2 as well. Why not? Oh, this is not the minus, right? 2 x max can be till 8, right? So okay, I need a 9. X okay. So this one y min doesn't have to be minus at all, right? It can be 0. Okay, window. Okay, that's done. That's better. So we need to find out the maximum here, right? Then I'll go to, okay, then I'll go to trace. maximum trace. Okay, I need to finish the left bound and right bound, right? So let me go up. See, that's the part, right? So I will enter it here. Uh, yeah. What happened? So here, calc maximum left bound is x equal to 2. Okay, right bound is x equal to 2 y. Yeah, see, maximum is x equal to 2. Does that make sense? Between 0 to 8, right? So that's the maximum. Does that sound good? Okay. Now I wanted to go to the next one. So we are done with the calculator piece that I wanted to show you. What did I want to do? See, okay, some, okay. This you can do. I want to get started with the limits, right? Yep, limits. Where is that? 1 second, guys. Desktop, yeah. Yeah, calculator we did. We can get started with the limit. How about this? Given a graph like this, so limits from a graph, this might be a quick review, but let's see, where are we? You're looking at this page. I don't want to see this page. Let me stop sharing. We'll just do a quick review on limits. Where to stop share? Oh, I stopped share already. So I'm going to go over this. Limits in graphs. How about this? Suppose if I have a graph like this, would you be able to predict f of, what did I do, guys? Do you know what is f of minus 3 in here? That is easy, right? That is easy enough, right?
Yeah.
How about this? How about, okay, suppose you have it like this. What is that? Let's see. Limit extending to minus 3 f of x. What is that here in this graph? It's again going to be here, right? So when it is tending to minus 3, both the sides you can see it's going to a minus 3. So it's going to be a minus 3. This is also, I'm sorry, this is a 4, right? This is also going to be a 4. However, let's see. This is going to be tricky. How about these two graphs? We are going to do the same thing for these 4 graphs. We are going to check f of minus 3 and then limit. What is the difference? Let's see. Okay, we'll see for these 4 graphs. So now first let's find out f of minus 3, f of minus 3, f of minus 3, f of minus 3. First we are going to find that, and then we are going to find limit extending to minus 3, f of x, limit extending to minus 3, f of x, limit extending to minus 3, f of x, limit extending to minus 3. Can you differentiate, guys? So the first one, what is the answer? I want one of you to pick. Do you know what is the first one?
Is it undefined?
Yup, here it is undefined. This one? Limit. See, there is a difference between the two.
Hmm.
Interesting, right? See, okay. So the exact values you're saying here, right? You said
Yeah.
the exact value. Yeah, exact value is undefined. At minus 3, the function is not defined. However, limit is only limit, when limit comes in, right, x is tending to minus 3. So see both sides, tending to minus 3, from both sides it can reach minus 3, but it doesn't have to be exactly minus 3. So it is trying to go to a 4. This one is perfectly defined. Limit is
Okay.
defined, but this is not. Now coming to this one, this is a little trickier. Here f of minus 3, it's not defined. However, do you see the point in here? So it's a 1, but then a limit, when it is trying to go to a minus 3, what happens? It is trying to go to a 4 only. Any questions?
No.
These are new learnings. Okay. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Now how about this? Which one did I want to do? Okay. Okay. How about this? The last two is a little tricky. Do you want to try or you want me to try? F of minus 3 is what? What is f of minus 3 in here? You can try, guys. If you don't know, I'm going to help. This is new completely.
Is it
So
1?
this is 1. How about this?
I don't
That's
know.
tricky. Yes, this we have never done now. Okay, how about this? F of minus 3 in this figure.
2.
That's easy. Yeah, 2. That's correct. But these two we have never done. So here, guys, when there is a limit, when it is tending to minus 3, see, I was always looking both sides. When it is tending to minus 3 means going up, and then when it is coming out as well. When it is going up and then coming out as well. See here what is going on. From negative, when it goes up, it is trying to go to a 4. But the right side of the limit, what happens? It's trying to come out of the 1. So you see these are not the same points. Here it is 4 on the left side. On the right side, when you look at it, it's going to be 1. When these two are not the same, here, even if it was undefined, at this point, it went to a 4 and it came out of the 4. The function was continuous excluding at that point. Okay, here it is going to a 4 and coming out of the 1. So here it is undefined. Make sense?
Okay.
So what should this be here?
Undefined.
Undefined, yes. Limits will be undefined if the left and the right do not have the same value. Okay, now that was good learning. Okay, now one-sided limit. What is a one-sided limit? Have you studied in AP Pre-Calc one-sided limits? No, right?
I
Meaning,
don't know.
oh, you don't know. Okay. Okay. So basically, limit is the y value, right? One-sided limit is the y value of the function. What is the y value of the function to which it approaches as you approach the given x value? If it is left-sided limit means you have to see the left side. If it is right-sided limit means you have to see the right side limit.
I
So
think we've done that.
you done that? Okay. Let's see this one. Okay. So 3 minus and 3 plus we'll consider. Okay, let's take this off. We'll consider 3 minus and 3 plus f of, sorry. So limit x tending to 3 minus f of, can we try this one? Limit, see here, this is called the right limit. This is called the left limit. Right? So f of x will be equal to what? Similarly, for this f of x will be equal to what? You tell me, guys. 3 minus and 3 plus. These two are different questions. Do you know what is the answer to this? Guys, can you tell me 3 minus 3 plus?
Is that 3 minus 1 negative 1?
Yeah, this is a negative 1.
And is the other one 2?
Yup, 2. But can you tell me what is this? Limit extending to 3 f of x?
I'm not sure.
Undefined, right? Because both are not the same. At the point 3, left limit is not equal to right limit. So it is undefined.
Okay.
Makes sense? Similarly, what is f of 3? There's no limit.
2.
Yep, you got it. So you have to understand the difference between this very clearly. Okay, limit alone, left limit, right limit, when they are not the same, then at that point limit is undefined. Okay, that was a good one. Okay, now, yeah, let's do this. For this graph, can I get all these values? You can say, you can send it in the, this one is just a review of what we learned. We learned something new. So this one is just a review of what we learned, and I also finally want f of 1. I just want to know what is f of 1 as well. Did it get pasted? Yes. I don't know. Okay, A, B, C. Can you send it to me? Send A, B. Oh yeah, you are able to see more. A, B, C, D, E, F. You can send it to me. Can you try sending that to me? Did you get it, guys? I'll wait on this one, guys. Send the 6 answers and we'll maybe we'll finish that and disperse. GHIJ. We have 3 more questions as well. Let's try these. You have 9 questions to answer. F of x 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus. So at minus 2, guys, did you get it? Did you get it? Should I wait on these answers, guys? Last one I think is,
I'm writing them down right
yeah.
now.
If you understood this, then you understood the basics of limit that we discussed. F of 1. That is J. Adhik, you got it?
Yeah, I just sent them.
Oh, you just send them. Oh, wow, you're fast. Okay, I think we'll stop with that. Let's see. Is too undefined. Does not exist or undefined? Does not exist. Okay. D is correct, Advik. D,
D.
D, IO.
That's
D and F, are they correct?
Would D be?
D, F and J. D, let me see. D is extending to 1, right?
Yeah.
Tending to 1. Okay, it's a limit. Okay.
Oh,
Limit
so would it be undefined?
on both sides, you need to say. No, it won't be undefined. But what did you write?
I don't
Minus
think
2.
it
How
is.
did you write a minus 2? Oh, you know what? Yeah, I know what is the problem. Okay, this one, right? Extending to 1. At 1, what happens? Go with the curve. Put both the
Mhm.
arrows. Okay, if it is tending to the same point, that is your answer.
Oh, so it's 1.
Yep, but whereas f of 1 is different. F of 1 is minus 2. Makes sense? This was also a mistake for you. You got it?
I got that one correct, I thought. I put
Uh,
-2 for J.
Oops, sorry, ma. Sorry then. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, that's correct. So this one you
Okay.
corrected it. This one, 3 minus. Now, what is that 3 minus?
So 3 from the left.
Not,
Oh, I couldn't see it.
yeah, sorry. 3 minus means here, right? 3 minus. So this is
5.
definitely whatever is the value of 5.
5. Okay.
Yep. This is a tricky one though, but a good intro. Okay, I'm checking yours, Krish. Give me a minute. The first one is not. You're confusing me, Krish. The first one is. Krish, I'm completely lost. GHI is correct. F is correct. E is correct. ABCD is incorrect. ABCD is incorrect, Krish. Okay, let's see what is the mistake. ABCD, I feel it's incorrect. Let's quickly see. See, Krish, 2 minus 2 minus, right? Minus 2 minus is here, right? So they're only asking for the left limit, right? Minus 2 minus
Yeah.
means they're only asking for the left limit. Left limit
I
is valid, right?
I read it as 2.
Oh, okay, this is 1. Oh, I see. Okay, you read it as minus 2. Oh, okay, that's why you put does not define. Okay. Yeah, does not exist. So minus 2 plus is what? Minus 2 plus is here. Yes, it is
Yeah.
also defined. Minus 2 plus is, it is going to a minus 2, right?
Yeah.
But whereas at minus 2 it does not exist. Make sense?
Oh, okay.
X
Because
equal to 1,
they're not like next to each other.
meaning at minus 2, if it would have continued like this, then it is defined. You see what I
Okay.
mean?
Yeah.
Meaning the left and the right limit should be the same. Then only at that point you can say you can say it exists. Make
Okay.
sense? But before the point is 1 and after the point it's minus 2. No, does not exist. Make sense?
Yeah.
So x tending to 1, x is tending to 1. So it's a 1. X tending to 0, x tending to 0 is a minus 2, right? 3 minus means it's the right limit they're asking. 3 minus is also a 5. Make sense?
Yeah.
Shagvi, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll stop here. If you got the limits, I'm fine. So we'll continue the same limits in graphs, and then analytically understanding limits is what we will do next week. Okay, that will give a good intro before we enter into calculus. Probably AB. Any questions?
Is it gonna be, are you gonna teach Calc AB?
Yeah, Calc AB, that's what I'm planning to, Makrish, based on, see, Dhwani is going to take Calc AB, you're going to take Calc AB,
Yeah.
Manav is going to take Calc AB, so probably it's going to be Calc AB. For Advik, we'll see what to do. You have both, right, Advik?
Yeah.
Yeah, Shagvi, you have to let me know. So who else will let me know? Shri, it might not work because he's going to take Calc BC directly. Then we'll see. Probably it will be Calc AB, but can I tell you in another 2-3 days, Krish?
Okay.
Yeah, positively it's Calc AB because most of you are taking Calc AB.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye bye, guys. See you.
Bye.
Bye.